If you're looking to dive into one of the most powerful AI tools just released, ColorBliss AI might be exactly what you've been searching for. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, or business owner, this software promises to elevate your work with its innovative features. But before you dive in, let's break down the 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know about ColorBliss AI. First, ColorBliss AI brings an entirely new approach to automating color-related design tasks. Whether you're working with visuals, branding, or digital content, the software can intelligently suggest and generate color schemes, palettes, and even unique gradients that align perfectly with your project. Gone are the days of spending hours perfecting color combinations. ColorBliss does it all, saving you time and effort. Now, what sets ColorBliss apart is its AI-powered customization. Unlike other color tools, ColorBliss adapts to your specific needs and preferences. It learns from the way you work, tailoring its suggestions over time to help you achieve the exact look and feel you're going for, with minimal input from you. This AI-based learning means that the more you use it, the better it becomes at understanding your style. In addition to the customization, ColorBliss AI also integrates seamlessly with popular design software like Photoshop, Illustrator, and Figma. If you're already using these tools, the transition to ColorBliss is incredibly smooth. It acts as a powerful assistant, working within the platforms you already know and love. And if you're not a designer, ColorBliss makes complex color-related tasks accessible to anyone with no design background. Another thing you need to know is the versatility ColorBliss offers. Whether you're working on web design, branding, or even UI/UX projects, this software delivers. You can generate anything from basic color palettes to intricate gradient patterns or sophisticated color schemes for your website or app. The possibilities are endless, making it a must-have for a wide range of creative projects. And here's where it gets really interesting. ColorBliss AI also incorporates data-driven insights into its process. Using AI's ability to analyze trends and user behavior, ColorBliss will not only suggest colors that are visually pleasing, but also those that are optimized for performance. So, whether you're aiming for higher conversion rates on a landing page or want to ensure your brand colors evoke the right emotion, ColorBliss AI has you covered. Now, you might be wondering about pricing. Here's the best part. ColorBliss offers a completely free trial that lets you explore all the features before committing. You can try it out yourself by clicking the first link in the description below. This gives you an opportunity to see firsthand just how much time and effort you can save with this game-changing AI software. Finally, before we wrap up, I've tested thousands of AI tools in my journey, and ColorBliss AI stands out in its category for how intuitive and effective it is. If you're looking to save time on color work and get better results without needing deep design expertise, this is definitely worth exploring. I've also got a list of other recommended AI software in the description below, tools that I've personally tested and found to be incredibly valuable. Trust me, after using ColorBliss AI, you'll be hooked on how much it can streamline your creative process. Check out the free trial, experiment with the features, and see if ColorBliss AI is the perfect addition to your design toolkit.